I am Imal Aswath. Now I am going to teach for 11th standard. If sin A equal to 4 sin B plus C minus 1 and A plus B plus C equal to pi, then A equal to what? You have to find A. Here what is given as A plus B plus C equal to pi. So here two condition is given. That is given sin A equal to 4 sin B plus C minus 1. And one more condition, it is given as A plus B plus C equal to pi. So what it is asked to find? To find it is A. So now A plus B plus C equal to pi. A plus B plus C equal to pi. So from that here it is given as B plus C. So I find that B plus C equal to pi minus A. And one more condition is given as sin A equal to 4 sin B plus C. Instead of B plus C, you have to write pi minus A minus 1. Pi minus A minus 1. So that is equal to 4. Sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So 4 sin A minus 1. So now here 4 sin A. So sin A. So that is equal to 3 sin A equal to 1. So sin A equal to 1. Here it is asked to find A. Therefore A equal to sin A equal to 1 by 3. A equal to sin inverse of 1 by 3. Sin inverse of 1 by 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.